ZenMaid 2021, it is a pleasure to be with you. Now, I am pre-recording this because on the actual day of the ZenMaid Summit, I am going to be, hopefully, popping out this little one. So I'm recording this ahead of time. I am so excited to see how your business is going to thrive in the next year. So this talk, I'm handing you over to Wesley. Wesley works with us and he is super knowledgeable. He's going to share with you how we took a cleaning business from one that wasn't making a profit to one that had over 800 leads and is now soaring. And this is a repeatable model. This isn't something that we've just done once as a fluke. This is something that we do week in, week out for cleaning businesses just like you. So listen, you can grab these tips and do it yourself. Or if you do want an expert to help you out, speak to Wes. He's in the chat box live whilst this talk's going on and he can answer any of your questions. So without further ado, I'm going to go and pop off and have a baby. And I'm going to leave you in the very safe and brilliant hands of Wesley Foster, a member of Digitool, who can safely say that he has helped hundreds of cleaning businesses just like you to get lots of leads and become profitable.
Thank you so much for that amazing introduction, Daisy. Hi, cleaning business owners. My name's Wesley Foster, and I'm so excited to be here with each and every one of you today. What a crazy year it's been. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying the Maid Summit so far. So I work for a company called Digitool, and we specialise in helping cleaning business owners just like you win more customers. And this is something that's very close to home for us. Daisy, the CEO and the founder of Digitool, her dad Peter actually has his own carpet cleaning business. Now Peter's the type of guy who's super hard working, always grafting, never sleeping. And growing up, Daisy could quite clearly see he was overworked. So Daisy decided to analyse Peter's marketing. She looked at what he was doing right and what he was doing wrong. Within a few months, Daisy completely transformed his business and his life. And Peter didn't have that constant anxiety of when he would get the next job booked in. And that's how Digitool was born. The title of my talk today is how we help generate 825 leads for a family-run cleaning business using Google Ads. And I know from conversations I've had in the past, a lot of cleaning business owners struggle with lead generation. And I want to talk to you guys exactly about that today and provide you with some information and pointers that are really easy to implement in your current marketing strategies. But before I do go any further, I'm just going to explain why exactly I love Google Ads and the benefits. So number one, it's kind of like a thermostat. So if you need more jobs, you crank it up. If you're too busy and you want to slow down just a little bit, you just turn it down. So you really do have complete freedom to control your desired output. Number two, it's instant. As soon as your ads go live, you start receiving leads, you start receiving more customers. And number three, you can have a presence in multiple cities. So another awesome thing when it comes to Google Ads is the fact that you can target based on keywords and location. And I'm just going to share my screen with you guys and show you exactly what it is I mean. So if I was to search for cleaning services in Miami, so these positions here, so these three positions are actually through Google Ads. So they're paying to be in those top positions. If we scroll down a bit further, we've got the Google My Business listings. Scroll down even further, we've got the organic results. So more than likely, these guys have got some fantastic SEO to be in that position. And if you just take it back up a little, and I'm going to travel through to, say, roof cleaning services, Miami. Let's click on that one, for example. So this is going to take me directly through to their website. There you can see your local roof cleaning experts, contact number, free quote, which is great, top rated, licensed and insured, trained professionals, eco-friendly products, which is brilliant. And here, so this is exactly what I was looking for. So here's the different services that Roof Cleaning Services Miami has to offer. So these can all be based in keywords. So these can all be put into keywords of a Google Ads campaign. So they can target somebody who might be searching power washing in Miami, roof cleaning in Miami, residential house wash, ceiling staining, gutter cleaning, commercial power washing, residential window cleaning, and solar panel cleaning. So you really do have the complete control of targeting your ideal customers when it comes down to keywords and locations. And not only that, but you can also target based on days, times, and frequency. So if you know your target customer is looking for your services between 10 and 2, Monday to Friday, you can turn your ads on at those specific times. Another benefit for Google Ads is that you completely control your costs. So with Google Ads, you pay for your results. Each click that has come directly from an ad campaign will be deducted from your Google Ads budget. And just to add some context to that, so when I shared my screen with you a few seconds ago, I clicked on Roof Cleaning Miami. So Roof Cleaning Miami might be paying $1,000 a month to be in those top few positions on Google when it comes to Google Ads. Now, each person that travels through to that website, a certain amount will be deducted from that monthly budget. Another fantastic thing with Google Ads is that success can be constantly measured. I'll say that one again. So another fantastic thing with Google Ads is that success can be constantly measured. You can install plugins to track calls and work out conversion rates and really see where your money is being spent. So just summarize that quickly. So when you do Google Ads correctly, you're going to get more jobs, more calls, more profits, and you don't need to be a whiz to understand this stuff. So let's take you guys on a bit of a journey on how we generate 825 leads for a family-run cleaning business in the UK. Vulcan Hygiene. Vulcan Hygiene is a family-run cleaning company based in the UK, run by husband and wife Derek and Laura, as well as their oldest child, Joseph. Now, since starting the business, they had big ambitions, knowing they wanted to scale the business quickly, both in terms of revenue and professionalism. But they were left feeling as though they were slaves to their own business, rather than feeling as though they were on their way to become entrepreneurs. Before joining Digitool, they ticked the majority of the boxes of what a company should be doing to generate new business. A new website, SEO, Facebook ads, offline marketing such as networking. Now, this was all being done by a digital marketing agency, but they were disappointed and kind of confused when they were getting the jobs booked in, but couldn't figure out why they weren't making a profit. I mean, they knew something was wrong when they decided to pump more money into their marketing and advertising budgets. Their revenue went up, but their profits were completely flat. They weren't getting any sort of return on their investment, and alarm bells started to ring at this point. Now, Derek and Laura both knew they now needed to seek some sort of professional help, but they didn't know where to go or who to ask. But they happened to find the digital team from our YouTube channel when they searched digital marketing for cleaning businesses. And having doing their own research and reading through some of our amazing case studies and testimonials we have from other like-minded business owners, they knew we would be right for the job. So we spoke to Derek and Laura, and we quickly realized two things. Number one, they were wasting money, and number two, they were wasting time. So we arranged an initial discovery call, which would allow us to dig a little deeper and allow the digital team to look at the problems Derek and Laura were facing. And what we found was that they were spending their marketing budget evenly across all their services: fogging, carpet cleaning, oven cleaning, upholstery cleaning, leather cleaning, and end of tenancy cleaning. Now, this isn't always a bad thing, but when you have some services that are far more profitable than others and you want to see a high ROI, you need to concentrate on the areas that are going to be bringing you in the most money. They were also spending their marketing budget evenly across their whole coverage area in the northeast of England, even though some parts of Hartlepool, where they were based, had a far better clientele base with greater spending power. Another thing we found was that they weren't focused on improving their online reputation. People who found them didn't know if their service was actually good or not, and they didn't know whether to trust them. We also noticed they weren't using Google Ads. They were using loads of marketing tools, but they weren't using Google Ads. Now, on average, Google Ads drives the most consistent results. So the solution. So we advised Derek and Laura on the diagnosis and the solutions we knew would fix their problems. They immediately paused the marketing they were doing with Yelp and gave Digitool a marketing budget of $1,400 with a target to increase 50% profit within 12 months. So taking the revenue from $50,000 to $100,000. We also discovered Google Ads was going to be the best service for them, as this is really where most of the opportunity lay. So what we decided to do was create a Google Ads campaign with landing pages. These ads only targeted the most profitable and the most popular services. So we found those to be oven cleaning, carpet cleaning, and pressure washing. I'm just going to share my screen with you guys and just show you the landing pages we created for Derek and Laura. So our landing pages, they may not look amazing, but I'll be completely honest with you, they really do the job well. So here is a landing page we created, Derek and Laura at Vulcan Hygiene. So at the top, we've got carpet and sofa cleaning experts. We've got quotes as a button, contact number, same day service, a few prices, get a quote again, a few reviews here from Google, Facebook and Trustpilot, which adds a level of trust. You've got the location that Derek and Laura cover, they're trusted experts, local to you, 5-star reviewed, great value pricing, get your fast quotes. Once again, the #1 rated local professionals, another button saying get a quote, services. So we've listed a few services, clean carpets, clean mattresses, clean sofas, clean curtains. We've also got another 5-star review just here, but just notice as I'm scrolling, the quote and the contact number are constantly following me, so they can never be missed. We've also got a few more reviews here from Yale, and we've got COVID safe, pet friendly, unbeatable, and top rated carpet and sofa cleaning experts, with even more reviews just here from Facebook, Google, nice job, and get your quote. So fill out the information here and someone will be in touch. So they're simple but effective. Now, the reason why they appear to look like this is simply based on data. We're constantly testing different landing pages, and over the years, we found what works well and what doesn't when it comes down to converting leads. Now, if you think about your cleaning website just for a second, you might have some really engaging content on there. A few videos, an about us page, links to social media. The thing with this is there's many opportunities for a lead to become distracted. For example, if there's a social media icon, a lead, a client, a customer might hit that social media icon, travel over to their own Facebook account and realize they've got 10 notifications from 10 of their mates. And they might spend 5 minutes actually replying to each of them. Now, they spent 5 minutes doing that, and now they've completely forgot about the website that we're just on. So just summarizing that, our landing pages are completely distraction-free, and we make it as easy as possible for that lead to get a quote or pick that phone up and request our client's services. Through our local SEO service, we began building Derek and Laura's online reputation by heavily increasing the number of 5-star reviews they receive from their customers. And here's just a few. If I just scroll through their Facebook account, this is Vulcan Hygiene's Facebook. So just to tap into that a little deeper. So what is local SEO? So it's not just generating reviews for a Facebook account. Local SEO is the development of helping cleaning business owners seek local exposure. For example, cleaning companies based in my hometown's Greenwich, I'd be helping businesses have an online presence in my hometown and be chosen over any local competition. Not to bore you with all the technical and geeky facts, but a main way in which we do this is, once again, generating online reviews. Without having any sort of reviews for a business, it's hard to get any of your target customers to trust you. So we have a streamlined approach that helps cleaning business owners just like you request reviews with ease. Why does a business owner need reviews, you ask? Having reviews, it helps you stand out from the crowd. So it builds that level of trust. It helps you generate more business. It's a known fact that people will call businesses that appear to have the most reviews. And it also helps with online visibility, because at the end of the day, Google's a search engine and Google loves putting the right business in front of any customer. So they'll choose you over any local competitors if you've got great reviews. Just before we get into the results, please give this video a thumbs up. It lets Daisy know I'm actually doing my job quite well. Thank you. Drum roll, please. So the results are in. Way! We successfully managed to deliver the results Derek and Laura were exactly searching for. And I'm just going to break it down bit by bit. So the ad budget was only spent to book jobs for the most profitable high volume services. We targeted customers in high income areas who had more spending power, which increased the average order value. We strengthened Derek and Laura's online reputation, which meant that Vulcan Hygiene now has 72 5-star reviews. Having a great reputation meant that customers had far more reason to trust Vulcan Hygiene. This increased the conversion rates, meaning more leads, and with increased trust, their call center were able to book more jobs. We generated over 1,100 leads. This resulted in $100,000 worth of revenue. Most importantly, an estimated $50,000 worth of profit. So that's the journey of Derek and Laura, how we took them from strength to strength, grew their business, and helped them become entrepreneurs. Before I let you all go, we've been doing this now for a few years, the Maid Summit. We've built some good relationships, some great relationships with other cleaning business owners, with other marketing agencies, all from Maid Summit. Now, I know that you guys, the audience, are some amazing, hungry people, or else you wouldn't be here today. You want to do well in business. Now, I don't usually offer this, but starting from today, I'm going to open my diary up for 30 minutes for each and every one of you who are interested in growing their cleaning business. It's not going to be a sales call or anything like that. It will be a 30-minute Zoom call where we will discuss business, we'll discuss strategies, and I'll tell you if you're leaving any money on the table when it comes to your current marketing campaigns. I shall leave my Calendly invite in the chat below. So once again, thank you very much for listening. I hope you guys found that useful. If you've got any questions, drop me an email. My email address is wesley@godigitool.com. Thank you very much for having me. It's been a pleasure. So that's me done. That's me out. That's Wesley from Digitool, where we help you connect with your perfect customers.